Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Victory Is Mine. And guys, we're in the key of B flat. Very awesome song. We're going to do the Pentecostal upbeat version on today. And this song was requested by PTR. Thank you so much, PTR. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's just go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's crack our knuckles. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. All right, I think we're ready. Let's receive. Victory is mine.
Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Victory today is mine. One more time for the shield. Come on. I will stand. Get me behind. Oh, victory. Say it one more time. Victory is mine. Oh, victory is mine. Come on, y'all. Victory today is mine. Come on. I told Satan, get thee behind. Oh, victory today is mine. Joy is mine. Joy is mine. Joy today.
This song is brought to you by FlowCue. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowCue. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So this song is starting out with... let me give you that. So we're on our 3. We're playing our D flat major chord. We're going down to our 3 flat and we're playing this C minor chord. We're going to play a 2-5-1. On the 2, we're playing this E diminished 7 chord. Then we're going to our 5 and we're playing this F dominant 7 chord. And then we're going to our 1. We're playing a regular B flat major chord. All right, guys, beautiful intro. They're doing this beautiful turnaround. They're going. Let me give you that. So we're on our 3. We're playing this open B flat dominant 7 chord. Going to our E flat major chord on the 4. Going to our 5 flat and we're playing our D flat diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5 regular B flat major chord. And then we're going to this beautiful A7 flat 5, and that's on the 5. So we're starting our song off with Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Let's stop right there. So our left hand is doing something very simple. We're going 1, 3, 5, 6. That's all, and we're just repeating it. All right? So now, next part is we're going, that's our right hand. We're going B flat, and then we're going to our C minor chord, which is our sister chord, and then we're going to our B flat major chord again. So all together it sounds like. All right, here's the next part. me give you that. Victory. What is that? So we're on our 1. We're playing our B flat major chord. And we're leading into our 6 by playing this, 6 flat, going to our 6. And right there on the 6, we're playing this F diminished 7 chord. Day is mine. All right, what is that? We're playing our 2 and we're going to walk up to our 5. On the 2, we're playing this E flat 6 chord. We're going to walk up to our 3. Right there on the 4, we're going to play a B flat major chord. Keep on walking, we're on our 5 flat. And then we're going to play our E flat 6 chord right there on the 5. They're doing this beautiful turnaround. They're going. I know you want it. Let me give it to you. So we're going. We're going to our 7. We're playing this beautiful chord right here. Grab it. We're going to our 3. We're playing our F minor chord. Then we're walking to our 6. Approaching our 6 with the A flat diminished 7 chord. Let me give you the next one. I told Satan, get thee behind. So guys, this is the same part. Let me show you what we're doing. We're walking up from the 2 to the 5. And those chords are, we're playing our E flat 6 chord. It's kind of like what I just showed you. We're going to walk up. Right there on the 4, we're going to play our B flat major chord. Continue to walk up. Then right there, we're playing our F dominant 7 right there on the 5. They are playing the turnaround. We're going to our 6. We're playing our F diminished 7 chord. Get thee behind. Same thing, guys, right? Next part is victory today is mine. I love it. So guys, this part sounds a little bit like the intro, right? It's just a little different. We're doing some contrary motion. So what we're doing is the left hand is going this way and the right hand is going this way. So we're on our 5. We're playing our 5 doubled up right here on our right hand. And our left hand, we're playing our 5. So my right hand is going to the G. My left hand is going to the 5 flat. Now right here, my right hand is going to an A. And my left hand is going to the 4. Then we're going just like the intro, what we learned earlier. So, if this is all I gave you guys, this is the whole song, right? But of course, I can't just leave you here and just leave you empty handed without giving you the gems. I want to give you the gems, right? Okay, so let me give you the gems. So we can go. Yeah, I know you want it. Yeah, let me give it to you. So what I'm doing is I'm playing an F and a D flat. And then quickly, I'm getting off of it to play C, B flat, G. So if I was to play it very quickly, it would be, right? That's beautiful to add when you go. Right? Beautiful thing you can add. Now, also you can do. Yeah, let me give you that. So all I'm doing is I'm playing my D flat, D, F, G, B flat. Beautiful, I love it. So here's something else we can do. We can go. All right, let me give you that. We're starting out on our 5 and we're going to our 3. We're going 5, 5 flat, 4. Then we're going to our 3. We're playing a D flat major chord. Going to our 3 flat. We're playing a C minor chord. Now we're doing this nice movement. All right, what is that? On our 2, we're playing an F and a D flat. And we're going to play this C by itself. Then we're going to our 5 flat. And we're going to play this B flat. And then we're going right back to the, what is that? So all of that over the 5, we're going F and a D flat, C, B flat, G. And that's all over the 5. Then we're going to our 1. Regular B flat major chord. So let me slow it down so you can get it. Let me slow it down even more. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the day it hit me. My oldest daughter recently took her graduation pictures. I expected the usual cap and gown photos, nothing more. Then I saw them. Her hair was done, her makeup was flawless, she looked beautiful, confident, grown. And just like that, my mind went back to the little baby I used to swaddle, the little girl I rocked to sleep, and the tiny hand that once fit inside mine. Somewhere between those memories and those pictures, she became a young woman. Then my dad brain kicked in. All I could see was some young man walking up to my front door saying, "Sir, can I take your daughter out?" And me casually cleaning a shotgun I don't even own. As a father, that's a hard thing to see. Part of me wanted time to slow down, but another part of me felt proud knowing that my wife and I had spent years pouring faith, values, and love into her. My little girl is growing up, and now I have to trust the young woman we've raised. Life lesson. Children grow up while we're busy making memories. The days feel long, the years move fast. One of the hardest parts of parenting is realizing your little baby isn't little anymore. One of the greatest joys is knowing you help shape the person they're becoming. Awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And PTR, thank you so much for that awesome song. I really appreciate it. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yep, a subscribe button. Guys, you know what? It takes 3 seconds. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. Hey, you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. And I really appreciate you. You know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK. I'm signing off.